Despite the huge selection of pre-made face masks in stores, many still prefer home-tested remedies over the years. Why? Firstly, handmade masks are sometimes much more effective than purchased ones. And secondly, you know exactly what you apply to the face, because you selected and mixed all the ingredients yourself. On this channel I will share with you my secrets of beauty recipes and personalized skincare tips. Subscribe to the channel. Nowadays, many prefer handmade masks, since only in this case you can be 100% sure of their composition and quality. The main thing that must be taken into account in this case is the absence of an allergy to natural components. Banana face mask. Simple recipes. Everyone knows that bananas are full of potassium, which fights against dry skin. In addition, a face mask with a banana enhances the regeneration of skin cells and prevents its premature aging due to vitamin C. Improves the appearance and skin color thanks to vitamin B6. Vitamin E helps smooth wrinkles and improves metabolism. We will consider the most common recipes for banana masks and their beneficial properties. A face mask with a banana and floral honey is good for women of mature age, because the mask nourishes and tones the skin, and also smooths out minor wrinkles. The mixture is prepared from 1 medium banana and 1 tablespoon of flower honey. The banana is ground to a mushy state, and honey is heated in a steam bath. Mix the prepared ingredients, then gently apply along the massage lines on the face. Such a mask is aged for approximately 15 minutes. Then it is washed off with warm boiled water, and best of all with herbal decoction. A face mask with banana and sour cream can moisturize and rejuvenate the skin. To prepare a rejuvenating mask, you need half the fruit and 20 ml sour cream. The resulting mixture is applied to the skin for 15 minutes. Then it is removed with warm boiled water. A face mask with banana and starch visibly tightens and refreshes the skin, gives it velvety and dull, improves complexion. For cooking, you will need a banana pulp and an equal amount of starch. The ingredients must be mixed and applied in a thin layer over the entire face. Avoid the area around the eyes. Allow the mask to dry and rinse off after 20 minutes. A face mask with a banana and olive oil is ideal for very dry skin. The ingredients of such a nourishing mask are half a banana and 10 ml olive oil. Banana gruel is mixed with butter. Spread the mask evenly over the skin, leave for 35 minutes. After clean with cleaning cloths or rinse with mineral water. A face mask with a banana and an egg has 2 options, with protein for oily and with yolk for dry skin. For a mask for oily and combination skin you will need banana pulp, 1 TBSP, 5 ml lemon juice and 1 raw protein. Mix all components. The finished mixture is evenly applied to problem areas of the skin. Dry skin can be pampered with a mixture of banana slurry, 5 ml sour cream and yolk. The aging time of this mask is approximately 15 minutes. Based on banana, you can also prepare an excellent cleansing face mask. You can make a banana mask at home quickly and easily. The main thing is to have all the necessary ingredients at hand. For example, to prepare a cleansing mask for dry skin from bananas, you need to add half a glass of oatmeal to them, brewed in hot milk. To make an anti-aging banana mask, as additional ingredients, you can use honey, cottage cheese, sour cream or yogurt. A mask with wrinkle gelatin is also good. In order to instantly refresh your face and remove traces of fatigue, you need to add an orange or kiwi to the banana mask. For oily skin, you can cook banana masks with lemon juice and protein. In addition, lemon juice helps fight black spots and brightens the skin. To nourish dry skin, you can add egg yolk, sour cream or olive oil to the mask. To combat acne, bananas are mixed with turmeric or baking soda. After cooking, you need to use the banana mask immediately, otherwise it will lose its properties over time. The mask can be applied using a sponge or fiber brush, so the mask will lie in a more even layer. In order to prevent the mask from drying out ahead of time, you can make another mask from gauze with slits for the eyes and mouth, and put it on top of the already applied mask. The main thing is to strictly follow the instructions and the recipe. Do not overdo it with the ingredients and do not overdo the mask. Stay always beautiful.